down another meter. Easy, easy. Looks good from here, boss. Keep it coming. Keep it steady. Lower the cage now. Watch the alignment.
Steady, steady. Watch the rebar.
Copy that. Lowering slowly.
Keep it coming. Don't stop the pour.
Make sure the alignment is exactly on the pink markers. We need the rig moved over to section 4.
Watch your footing near the edge.
Bring that cage up slowly.
We're clear for the next pour.
We need to double check these pile cap dimensions before pouring.
Right, if we're off by even a centimeter, it compromises the structural integrity.
The retaining wall goes here according to the plans.
Yes, make sure the rebar is set correctly.
We need to adjust the rebar cage on pile 4.
Okay. The clearance looks tight here on the drawing.
Let's verify the coordinates on site.
The grading on this matches the borehole log perfectly.
Good. The pile design parameters look solid based on
Yes,
this.
Giver. As you can see marked in red, the board pile layout intersects with the existing utilities right here. We need to revise this section.